Japan earthquake. Sapporo city rocked by 7.0 earthquake. A powerful earthquake has rocked the city of Sapporo in northern Japan just hours after large parts of the south of the country were battered by the biggest typhoon to hit in 25 years. The magnitude 7.0 quake struck 70 miles south of Sapporo on the island of Hokkaido, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS. The tremor struck at an approximate depth of 20 miles. USGS data said. The epicenter was just 16 miles from the city of Chitose, home of Hokkaido's main airport. No tsunami warnings have been issued following the tremor. Sapporo is the capital of Hokkaido Prefecture with a population of nearly 2 million people.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.